Hello, my name is Jennifer and I am here to show you St. Anselm College's New Hampshire Institute of Politics. Let me show you why this is one of my favorite places on campus. Welcome to the Common Ground Cafe area. This is the perfect spot in the New Hampshire Institute of Politics to have a bite to eat, grab a coffee, and do some studying with your friends. I am here with Neil, the Executive Director of the New Hampshire Institute of Politics. Neil, do you want to talk a little bit more about this place?
Great, thanks Jen. So my name is Neil Levesque. I'm the Executive Director here at the New Hampshire Institute of Politics at St. Anselm College, where we have more presidential campaign activity than any other location in the United States. We do on average about 12 big events a week. That provides our students with a lot of exposure to elected officials, politicians, people running for office, but also business people, people who have written books, authors obviously. And we have a lot of fun activities for our students, but also they really get to experience the practical side of politics, which is different than what they're learning in the classroom. And as a result, it's a very unique experience for college students nationwide.
There are so many wonderful opportunities that you can have the chance to be a part of if you're interested in politics here at St. Anselm College. Some of the highlights of people's 4 years here is interning for a national news network, asking a question at a CNN town hall, partaking in Politics and Eggs, asking a question to a candidate, or even having one-on-one FaceTime in the TV studio. I have had a plethora of wonderful experiences here, ranging from being one-on-one in the video link TV studio as an employee, asking about the campaign, asking about what they thought of the recent poll or survey that might have been released by our survey center. I also had the opportunity to ask Elizabeth Warren a question at the CNN town hall debate about women in politics, very appropriate. And lastly, one of my biggest highlights was being an intern for ABC News when they're here for the Democratic National Debate. I had the opportunity to sit directly behind Joe Biden in that event and also got to talk to Joe Biden and numerous other candidates right after as well. Politics and Eggs is one of the most exciting events that happens here at the New Hampshire Institute of Politics. Different leaders come in, they do a speech, they take questions from students, and they also sign eggs that you see displayed in our case here.
This program, Jen, has been going on for about 25 years. It was actually featured in the 1990s television show The West Wing, where Martin Sheen was signing these very eggs. And it's really a tradition for candidates coming in or just national figures. So we've really had a lot of great people coming in, a lot of great experiences for students, unlike anything else really in the nation.
This is a place where students are able to display the research that they do on campus. I myself recently completed my senior thesis, which combined my interests and majors of politics and criminal justice. We are here in the New Hampshire Political Library, home to 2,800 volumes of books dedicated to the presidency. Let me show you some of the cool items that live here in the display case. I wanted to showcase some of my favorite items that are here in the library. One being this Jimmy Carter piggy bank. This pokes fun at how he was a peanut farmer before becoming president and showcases his signature smile. Here we have a basketball signed by Barack Obama in 2008 when he kick-started his campaign. And I'll take you down here as well to this champagne glass that Ronald Reagan used to toast after defeating Bush in a debate in 1980. We are here in the television studio in the Institute, and I'm accompanied by Brendan, who also works alongside me here. Want to tell me a little bit about your experiences?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes here, and this is just one example of that. Behind us, every single live TV hit from a news network like Fox or CNN that you see across the country that comes from Manchester, New Hampshire, is right here. So we've had a lot of cool experiences with candidates and their teams, either at 8 at night or 4 in the morning.
We are here in the West Wing. This is a space where students have many classes. I'm currently taking International Organizations and Global Governance in this space. We also have quite a few events in here with the Kevin B. Harrington Student Ambassador Program. That is the program you want to be in if you're interested in politics. You don't even have to be studying politics or international relations or anything in that realm. It gives you that front row seat to New Hampshire and national politics. It gives you that opportunity to work for the debates, to be alongside candidates at a lot of these wonderful events, and to have pizza with them through a Pizza and Politics event series that often takes place in this room as well. We are here in the Auditorium, one of our central places in the New Hampshire Institute of Politics. Some of my favorite events that take place here include the Bookmark Speaker Series events, our local debates, as well as our Politics and Egg series as well. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about what happens in here, please feel free to check out the New Hampshire Institute of Politics website. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this tour of the New Hampshire Institute of Politics at St. Anselm College. I hope to see you on the hilltop soon.